Hello, my name is Eduardo Correia and I'm an engineer at Beyond Vision. This year at REPMUS we have integrated the MAD system, as in magnetic anomaly detection system, into our BVQ418 platform. We have also integrated various payloads for ISR, such as cameras, as in the Raptor, for example. We are also testing some new antennas for the communication within our drones. ISR cameras provide real-time and infrared imagery of the operational environment, enabling the forces to detect and track potential threats and objects of interest. They can also detect automatically assets such as persons, cars, or even vessels. Submarines and mines are notoriously hard objects to detect, and the MAD system provides a non-acoustic way of confirming their position, reducing the reliance on sonars. Together, these integrations help close critical gaps in surveillance, enhance detection accuracy, and provide faster response from the forces, ultimately helping them in protecting their assets, secure maritime routes, and operate in complex or even contested environments.